Um, One of the points, and actually, again, it's been raised a couple of times by our guests, is we have a tendency to look at other people and think that they've got everything sorted out and they're really good and they're experts and they're authorities. And yeah, if we just had their lives, everything would be perfect. Um, and we focus on what we don't have. And it's very human nature. And look, if you're ambitious, then kind of focusing on what you don't have can be quite useful because it can give you the motivation to go and build it. But it's not particularly helpful. Oops, why has my screen disappeared? Just get that back. Okay, hopefully everyone can still see that. Yeah, so what we want to do is don't be focusing on what you don't have. I want you to focus on what you do have. And a huge part of what you do have to contribute to companies is your attitude.